Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. Today on Cooking with Abby, we're gonna make peanut butter cookies.
Yum, I love peanut butter cookies. Is this your recipe?
No.
It's not your recipe. This is our friend Emilia and Ella and Marc's recipe. Do you guys think we should make it with them?
Yeah!
All right, let's do that. Hi guys, so this is Emilia. Emilia's the younger one, and then we have Ella here as well, and we're gonna do something new and fun here. We're gonna make these cookies together apart. We've never done this before. We'll see what it's like.
Yeah.
Are you guys looking forward to it? Are you guys happy that you're on Cooking with Abby? Not really. It's okay. Try to contain your excitement. I know you can do it. All right, should we get started?
Yep.
Yeah.
We are going to start these fantastic cookies by doing we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together and our wet ingredients together. So Rebecca is our famous egg cracker. She's gonna get going. How about you guys? Are you starting over there as well?
Eggs in a bowl. That's what we've done, and we've mixed them.
Awesome. Eggs in a bowl is a good thing. What are you doing?
Trying to break up the clumps.
Oh, how about you just stick in the other two dry ingredients and mix that up a little bit? I'll get you another fork, Rebecca.
Good idea.
How's your mixing going, guys?
And the honey.
Ooh, the honey. All right, so we've broken up our clumps in our almond flour. We've got mixed in our salt and our baking soda. Rebecca is doing a fantastic job of breaking up our eggs. Trying. All right, so how about we pass off that bowl. Rebecca, you can keep breaking off the clumps in here. Boom, boom. Now, Abby, you can mix the rest of the wet ingredients. We are going to make half of our cookies. So Marc said that this makes about 30 cookies. So we're gonna make about half of them with chocolate chips. Look at that peanut butter. We made our peanut butter this morning. You can watch our recipe on how to make peanut butter here. It's very complicated. It involves smashing up peanut butter. You guys make your own
Peanut
butter.
Peanut butter, peanuts.
It looks really.
It's okay. Honey is a really sticky little sweetener, isn't it?
I got it on the fork.
You got honey on the fork. No one gets honey on the fork. All right, so we're gonna finish mixing this up. Amelia and Ella are gonna finish mixing theirs up, and then we'll come back together in a second and we'll combine all of our yummy ingredients together.
The wet in the dry or the dry in the wet? Dry. I suggest dry in the wet because then it's easier to clean.
I think it's always the other way around, isn't it?
Wet in the
I can't remember. There is a proper way to do it. I don't think it
Dry
matters
in the
today.
wet.
What does Marc
dry.
think?
I did that.
Mark, what do you think?
I say let's experiment, see what happens.
There we go. What did you guys do? We'll do the opposite.
We did dry into the wet.
Okay,
Perfect.
so we'll do
So we're
wet,
gonna do wet
into the dry.
So we're gonna mix these up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna form our yummy, yummy cookies. Right, so both sides of our fantastic team here, we have our dough ready. We're about to put them out on the tray. How about you scoot them over for me a little bit here? There's different ways. You've seen us use the cookie scooper before. I think this batter is a little too wet for the cookie scooper, which is not really a cookie scooper, but an ice cream scooper. So you want to do the double spoon action here, right? So you take the spoon, you put the spoon like this, and you work it through like that. And then on a pre-lined parchment paper tray cookie kind of deal thing here, you put your cookies. So these are about the size of golf balls, pretty much.
Golf balls.
Yeah, don't you think they're golf balls?
Those are smaller than golf balls.
Smaller than golf
Like
balls?
ping pong balls. Like when
Ping
you
pong balls, that's an excellent size. We have slightly damped forks here. We wet them a little bit, and you can kind of push them down a little bit, pull it out, just gently pat them down. All right, and as I said, we're gonna do about half without chocolate chips and half with chocolate chips. How about you do a bunch, then you can do a bunch. Amelia and Ella can do a bunch on their side too. We will see you in a minute when the tray is fully covered and we're gonna put them in the oven. Wait a minute, Abby, we forgot something.
The ingredients.
Where can people find the ingredients, Abby?
Here or at cookingwithabby.com.
That's right, we really need to get better at that, and we need to put that at the beginning of the videos, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh well. All right,
This
see you in a minute.
is too big.
Great job, guys. We have formed our cookies. Really not that easy, eh, guys?
No.
Oh, we're talking to an empty screen. Oh no, our camera's moving. The joys of remote location. So we have formed, what have we formed? How many cookies?
15.
15, which is half of what we think. So there's varying sizes and shapes. This should be interesting. We're going to bake these at, do you remember the temperature?
350 degrees.
350 Fahrenheit for
20 minutes? About 20 minutes.
about 20 minutes. We'll start at 15. We'll see what they look like. In the meantime, we're going to add our chocolate chips to the remainder of our batter here with like 7 spoons in it. And then we will be right back and we will try these yummy, yummy looking cookies. Which
Can I take like the 7 spoons out?
you can take the 7 spoons out. It'll probably be hard to mix it with 7 spoons in there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, a little.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends from far, friends from near, guess what time it is?
Time to eat the cookies.
The best time to eat the cookies. What are you guys going for? Did you guys make your raisin ones or did you guys only make the plain ones?
We made raisin one.
All right,
Made one.
I'm going for a chocolate chip one because I'm a chocolate lover. These look and smell really, really good. They're very soft. They're very gooey. These are excellent cookies. Good job, Mark.
I don't really taste the peanut.
You don't really taste the peanut butter?
I had it.
They're peanut butter cookies. How can you not taste the peanut butter? How are your cookies? They don't taste good. Uh-oh. Wow, it tastes really good. Peanut butter. So peanut buttery.
Now I taste the peanut butter.
Now you taste the peanut butter? All right, guys, this was a lot of fun. Thank you to our guests. Maybe we'll do this again sometime. We can make some other fun, yummy recipes together. Where can people find us, Abby?
YouTube, cookingwithabby.com, Instagram, and Facebook.
Hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more, oh no, if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.
Cool. And shall we see you like in a month from now?
No, next week.
Next week. Thanks, everybody. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'm eating more cookies.
Me
I
too.
want to.